Hi friends, this is your Ganesh. Under known things and unknown facts, today we are going to see about scientific facts about role of trees behind rain. The role of trees in bringing the rain is by the following ways, and the principle behind raining are as follows. Trees, by the process of transpiration, releases water vapor in the atmosphere during both day and night. This increases the humidity of atmosphere. Due to more evaporation of water molecules from the tree leaves, the temperature above the lower atmospheric region above those area getting cool. Pollen and other microorganisms released by plants and trees can act as condensation nucleus. Now let us see about the similar action in water bodies. Water vapor evaporation takes place in ocean, ponds, lakes also due to action of sunlight during daytime. Here too the region above those area gets cool. The rate and quantity of water evaporation depends on coverage area of trees, water bodies, and on action of sunlight, which depends upon climate. The main principle is the accumulation of water molecule leads to reduction of air volume, which ultimately creates difference in pressure zone. Makariva and Gorshkov's biotic pump describes the raining process. Atmospheric volume reduces at higher rate over the areas with more intensive evaporation. The resulting low pressure draws in additional moist air from areas with weaker evaporation. Under full sunshine, forests maintain higher evaporation than oceans and thus draw in moist ocean air. In deserts, evaporation is low and air is drawn towards ocean. In seasonal climates, solar energy may be insufficient to maintain forest evaporation, and hence higher evaporation occurs over the oceans during a winter dry season. And now the ocean draw air from land. However, in summer, high forest evaporation rates are re-established. With forest loss, the net evaporation over the land declines and may be insufficient to counterbalance that from the ocean. Air will flow seawards and the land becomes arid and unable to sustain forests. In wet continents with continuous forest cover maintain high evaporation, allowing large amount of moist air to be drawn in from the coast and brings more rain. In contrast to cool air movement in lower altitudes, dry air returns at higher altitudes from wetter to drier regions to complete the cycle. And this pattern of rainfall was presented by Makariva and Gorshkov. Hence, when we cut down trees, transpiration is reduced through the trees and lesser water vapor is released into the atmosphere. Due to the shortage of water vapor, cloud formation is also reduced and there will be less rainfall. Hence, promote afforestation and get more rain. Thanks for watching this video. Soon we will see in another set of interesting facts. Until then, bye.